Are you paying too much taxes in a year, but not earning enough much that you don't care about how much taxes you pay in a year? Or are you thinking of ways to reduce your tax liability? If this is your worry, then I have a solution for you. Welcome to Enterslice YouTube channel. I am Sobia Amin, your tax assistance for your everyday income tax problem. In 2013, the Government of India announced the term rebate under Section 87A of the Indian Income Tax Act. This rebate has been helping to condense the income tax charges of taxpayers by incentivizing and decreasing the tax liability for few classes of taxpayers. But what is this rebate and what class of taxpayers can avail it? An income tax rebate is such relief that one receives from the income tax department in the form of discount or deduction on the total tax liability. This rebate can be availed only by certain type of taxpayers, such as the taxpayer should be an Indian citizen, be it of any gender. No Hindu united family or firms are eligible to avail this benefit. However, apart from what type of taxpayer you are, your income also decides if you can avail this benefit of rebate or not. Like, your total taxable income should also be less than Rs 5 lakh, which is up to Rs 7 lakh under the new regime. Now, you must be thinking that how much discount you can actually get as rebate. As per the old regime, you could only avail up to Rs 12,500 of rebate if your total taxable income is less than Rs 5 lakh. However, recently the Indian government have proposed several amendments in Budget 2023 with a vision to make this new tax regime as lucrative as possible for the taxpayers. The rebate limit has been extended to Rs 7 lakh from Rs 5 lakh for the upcoming fiscal year, which is financial year 2023 to 24. Which means that now if you are an Indian citizen with a taxable income of up to Rs 7 lakh in a financial year, then you will be eligible for rebate up to Rs 25,000. On the contrary, the threshold limit for the old regime still remains the same, which is Rs 12,500. One who intends to receive a rebate from the income tax department needs to make sure that the taxes have been computed and calculated correctly, and that the income tax return has been filed according to the timeline. In certain circumstances, the term rebate is confused with the term refund, whereas these two terms are entirely different, yet serves a bit of similar purpose, which is to be a source of relief to taxpayers. Rebate under Section 87A is a deduction given on the total tax liability of an individual, depending on the amount of their total income. Whereas tax refund is the amount refunded to an individual when the tax paid by the taxpayer is more than the actual tax amount to be paid. In that case, the extra amount is returned to the taxpayer. Now, when we know all of the terms, then let's learn how to calculate few things that will help you in paying taxes. First is total taxable income. Any individual can claim a rebate when the total taxable income is less than Rs 5 lakh as per the old regime. But it is important to note that your total taxable income is different from your total income. So how do you calculate your total taxable income? Let's suppose there is a girl Anu, a resident individual aged 24 years. Her total income is Rs 6 lakhs and 50,000. She has made certain investments of Rs up to 50,000. and has taken a medical policy of Rs 1 lakh. Then what will be the total taxable income for assessment year 2022 to 23 and 2023 to 24? In this case, the total taxable income of Anu will be the amount that is left after deducting the investments made by Anu and her medical policy investment that amounts to Rs 1.5 lakh from her total income, that is 6.5 lakh. Then she is left with Rs 5 lakhs, which is her total taxable income. As the total taxable income is under the threshold of new regime, which is Rs 7 lakh. Therefore, Anu is eligible to claim rebate. Second, let's learn how to calculate rebate. Let us suppose this is the chart of Anu's income and investment made in a year. According to this chart, the gross income is Rs 6 lakh and 50,000, from which we have to deduct her investment and medical policies made, which is 1 lakh 50,000. Here, her total taxable incomes reaches out to 5 lakh rupees. Income tax is calculated at the rate of 5% from amount rupees 3 lakh to 5 lakh. In this matter, it amounts to rupees 15,000. Now we have to deduct amount 15,000 from the rebate amount, that is 12,500. Here, the net tax payable will be 2,500 that Anu has to pay after availing rebate amount under Section 87A. The amendment made in 2013 to add rebate under Section 87A of the Indian Income Tax Act has been proven to be a change of relief for the citizens. Moreover, the changes that took place since then, including the recent amendment of 2023 to increase this threshold limit to rupees 7 lakh from rupees 5 lakh, shows a way forward to the growing safety for the individual in the economic world. Now that you know what is your total taxable income and you also know how much taxes you have to pay after availing rebate, I guess you are ready to pay taxes. If you want to file your tax return or want to learn more benefits like rebate on income tax, then you may contact us on the number mentioned on this screen. Our team of experts will connect with you at your convenience to guide you with all that you need. That's it for today's video. See you next time.